toys,
fun,
fun.
Welcome back everyone. Thanks for tuning in. If you're new to this channel, hit the notification bell and subscribe button. Thanks for that. Here we've got the SpongeBob Slimeez. It looks really cool. It's got a SpongeBob character in it and Nickelodeon slime in it. It's going to be awesome. Let's open it. The mystery is about to be revealed. Really cool casing. And now, let's put it open. Whoa! Look! Here's our SpongeBob character. Cool. And here is the slime. Whoa! Really cool green colour. Look at that. Let's get it open. So, we've got our neon green Nickelodeon slime. This stuff is awesome. And our SpongeBob character. Whoa. Look at this. It's so cool. Really good. Now, let's fill SpongeBob up. Now, SpongeBob's filled up. I'm going to pop this back in. And watching, guys. Ugh, that's so cool. Look at it all. Whoa. Ah. Whoa. It's coming out of his head. It's going everywhere. Whoa, this Nickelodeon slime is awesome. Really cool, and so is SpongeBob and all the other characters. There's lots to collect, they're really cool, and they're out in stores now. Thanks for watching, please like and subscribe. Bye!
Toys,
Fun.